Hi, I'm Nikhil R. Currently in my fourth semester of sports management at MBA ESG. My passion towards sports drove me to this college. The past 2 years at MBA ESG has been really incredible for me. We had a lot of master classes from industrial experts, and then we also had a lot of industrial visit to Dravid Perform Center, the Bangalore Turf Club. For me, the most memorable experience I had at MBA ESG is MBA Super League because I was part of the organizing team. We learned a lot, had a lot of challenges in the way, but we made it. And MBA ESG Super League Season 1 was a super league. I had my summer internship at Go Sports Foundation as a programs intern. I was particularly working for the para athletes. So it was a unique experience to be working for the para athletes, especially during the Olympic and the Paralympic season. And right now, I'm working at Rush Sports under the fellowship program partnered by MBA ESG and Rush. I think the first of its kind in the sports industry. None of the colleges have implemented a fellowship program. This is something unique and something which everyone were looking forward to. There's so many experiences that I went through the past 2 years, but now I know that I'm industry ready because of MBA ESG.